Why does your scanner show the P0767 engine code? What does it mean? P0767 is a diagnostic trouble code for shift solenoid D stuck on. This engine code indicates that the TCM that regulate the flow of transmission fluid to engage the correct gear. When the TCM detects that the gear ratio is incorrect because solenoid D is not functioning properly. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Transmission fluid issues. Faulty shift solenoid. Internal transmission damage. Wiring and connector problems. Faulty control module. Clogged passages. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Honda, Odyssey, and Acura models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.